Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram video sound problem. So guys, if you're using iPhone or other iOS device and you have problem related video sound, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back on your home screen, and guys from here you have to open App Store on your iPhone or on your iPad, and here you need to search Instagram. So guys, this error has been occurred if you are using oldest version of Instagram. Simply you need to update your app first, and after doing update all the bugs will be fixed. And guys, the second method is you need to go back, open your settings here, and guys from here you have to click on general, and after this you have to click on iPhone storage, and from here you have to find Instagram. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it down. From here you have to click Instagram, and guys you have to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to apply the third method. The third method is you have to open your Instagram app, click on your main profile icon, click on three lines and scroll it down, click on help, click on report our problem, and you need to enter here your problem that you are facing again and again, and Instagram support team will review your problem and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.